Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the Lexus Content House. Today we are going to be playing Guess Who Made the Sound? But before that, we got a few words from Raven.
Welcome to the Lexus Lounge, a space crafted for 100 Thieves to create amazing experiences in.
All right, y'all, who's going first? Who's in the hot seat?
You go first?
It's gotta be Ian, yeah, it's gotta be Ian.
I'll go.
Yo, no cheating.
Hey, I'm locked in, baby.
Yeah, don't cheat, don't cheat.
Damn, wait, that was good. That sounded like Pennywise. I'm going ZackTTG. Mo? Oh, I f***ed up. That one's Mo. That one's gotta be Mo.
Ho, ho, ho.
Raven. You gotta give me something harder than that. Can I get a replay on that?
No.
Raven. I don't know, maybe Zach.
You got 4 correct.
4? Which one? Who did I mess up on?
The first 2.
I'm set up for failure here. This isn't
Wait,
good.
I got
Yeah, we said ho, we said laugh.
Raven went. Ho.
I'm trying to like, I'm trying to
understand,
sound
Sushi,
like them. Ian.
I'm in me mom's car. Vroom, vroom.
Mo.
That's not a vehicle noise, is it?
He said vroom vroom.
I'm in me mom's car.
He said vroom vroom.
Zach. That's Mo. That's Mo. Zach?
He's so good at it. He's been so hard, bro.
I haven't guessed Ian at all, have I? I'm gonna just go with Ian. Oh, I know this is bad. How many?
You got 3 correct.
Let's go.
That one is too funny. That one is too funny.
Wait, why did you do a running
heck?
start?
I thought he was doing a Flintstone.
I was trying to distract her like from the movement and shit, because like I thought it was
I
obvious.
thought you were revving the car up. Oh my gosh. He said, I'm in me mom's car.
You know that TikTok, right? The vine?
That's a certified banger.
Yeah.
This round is old person falling down the stairs.
Oh, how ironic.
What?
Oh, everyone always calls me old. Like old man.
Help, I can't get up.
Ian. Ian. Raven. That's Mo.
Oh.
I guess I have to go Mo again. Raven, I guess. I don't know.
That was a good one. I like that one. That one was good.
You got 4 correct.
Ah.
I'm trying to go undetected, man.
Yeah, you did, you
I
did.
realized after.
Bro, Mo just goes over the top. He went,
Zach. It's Raven or Ian? I'm gonna go Raven. Ian. Ian. Oh, Shit, that could have been Zach. I'll go Ian, whatever. We're locked in. Okay, Raven.
How did you stutter a dog? He said,
No, it was a growler.
boy didn't even let her finish.
Dog was
Ian, 1,000,000%.
Well, you got 5 out of 6.
Let's go. Was it Ian's Zach 1-6 the one that I was right? That I said called out loud?
the one I just did.
No,
was a
that,
dog.
yeah,
that was you at the
good.
end?
That was good. That was good.
Hey, not bad. Hey, passing.
How do you know?
most places.
Nah, you passing everywhere. You knew I was the snake. Oh God.
I mean, think about it. Think about it, man. Come on, man.
What are you trying to say?
Think about it. Just think about it. That's all I was like.
Anaconda.
Ian, you're back up.
Oh, it's me again? Oh, this is gonna be. I know which one Mo is.
What does that mean?
Just wait on it.
Is that racial?
Yeah, that's not a little racial.
Ooh. That's Zach. That's also Zach. Well, that also sounds like Zach, but he went too long, so that's Mo. It's only two, right? You go twice? That's Mo. I think I f***ed up. That's Raven. That was Raven for sure.
Oh my god.
There's no chance. She's trying.
Even her monster sounds sweet.
That was the most gentle monster I've ever heard. She said. I'm going Raven for 200, please. Thank you.
But put your net worth on that. I'll split.
The whole bank account is on that being Raven.
my god.
Ian, you got 4 out of 6 correct.
Again? Which two got messed up?
Caring.
Bro, Raven thinks it's a charade. She's like, she's doing like the whole thing before she makes the
dude,
noise.
she's acting it out.
I can see it.
They were calling
I'm
all the
trying,
rules.
I'm
I'm trying to get into character.
Third one, I think you got wrong. You switched Zach and Mo up.
She's a method
Wait,
actor.
the one that that was no shot. That sounded just like you.
Ian. Mo? No, that one's Mo. That's Mo.
Your brick.
Zach? Ian? Mo?
I was trash at that one.
I was gonna try to do some crazy shit. I was gonna try to do some crazy shit, then I realized I'm not talented, so I couldn't.
I don't know what I just did.
Midway
I
through
just
both
threw.
beatboxes, I was like, what am I doing?
Let's go.
Wait, how many did she get?
5 out of 6.
Oh.
I wanted to do that old school beatbox. In the jungle. You know,
Oh,
no,
yeah,
I couldn't
yeah.
do none of that. That was not working.
Popping your cheek?
Yeah.
Try to sound like me.
I got you.
I was trying.
Ian. That's Mo. He spit on my neck. I'm just playing.
It's Raven.
No, it's a phone.
That's Mo.
It's Ian. Nah, they ain't no. I thought the skirt would have been.
All the time.
Oh, I'm
I think we have to
readable.
like hold our vocals like,
That's what I was trying to do.
I should
That's
change
what-
shit up.
I was like trying to do like a little. Like
spit on the poor guy and he still
Oh,
won.
he said that's Mo. I felt his spit on my neck.
You got 6 out of 6.
Damn.
Try to sound like a horse, bro. Like the.
I can't.
It didn't work.
I can't do no sound effect. Wait, is this last round?
Yeah, this is Mo. Mo's it right here.
Oh no, so you got 4 and then 6.
Yep.
Ooh, Mo,
So
you
Mo's
need
gotta get
I
at
need to
least
get
5.
5 to tie, 6 to win. Raven. Zach. Get it, Ian. Ian. Zach. Ian. Raven. Well, they know the results. They're not cheering for me, so I lost.
Mo, you can get to the back of the line now, my brother.
Mo, you got 3 correct.
He always wins.
All right, guys, that's it for Guess Who Made the Sound. I came out victorious. Everyone else, they tried valiantly. But thank you guys for watching this video, and
Thank you, Lexus, for being our partner, the official luxury auto partner of 100 Thieves.
And we'll see you next time.
I got second.
No, you didn't. You really didn't. I think I got last. I lost and I spit on someone. That's an L.
you didn't even spit. I was like,